พี่มันตากันดนพากับ problem nama rabah kadika online di portal kala create laga job portalพี่มันชัวhabang padon ya kadika kam padon kadika portal kai bajia kolong bah kidon ki scheme ki balamang kerpang magang ki diskusi subu no kumenta la sanction kerpang ki siajan de ka ke chisi kemur kia sampar ki MDC bro arkunai we temut ki layo man implement klem ya sim ya ka urban lane ka rural den lai ngong pi Anda kena create yang ni portal pada mentah kam ya cuk i ba kam don hakalis jong kan ke rural area kam aksen dan tah bami kan isu ka bangi hap ni kren ka petaka urban batka rural namar ba kalong no perban ko multiply ye ki bapli ke MDC ke ba jong hapo ki ne ki urban area
apa tu lagi konstituensi
ya mentangam la man ong kanut li in detail then lay kidon mentah kum hatura kidon around 3-4 mentah po kum hapo shillong ngatai kidon kum 5-6 nata hajuai kidon kum 4-5 lani
only the urban constituencies
we are talking about urban but I please don't take it as final because as I said to you it must be like that only they must be having around 3-4 in July again here in Shillong maybe 5-6 like that and then even in Tura they have around 4-5 but all the three district council they gave of course the CM of KGG he sent only representative 3 or 4 active members they present there along with all the 3 district councils along with the related departments like urban affairs department DCA and then even from finance we sit down about the issue of the implementation of 15 finance commission grant recommended by the 15 finance commission to all the 3 district councils but in between we have a little challenges relating to the area which falls under the urban area because even the district council we have urban area constituencies like Tura, like Shillong, like Juai. So what happened was that schemes recommended by the 15 finance commission it talks about the rural area which is to be implemented by the 3 district council and it was silent when you talk about the implementation of the very same scheme in urban area. So ultimately we had a meeting today. I discussed with all the 3 district councils and then with the officers and we have already requested the urban affairs department to walk out if something can be done for the urban area MDC constituency in the entire state where they will also be able to get the so-called untied or tight fund as recommended by the 15 finance commission. So we have already decided we entrusted now to the urban affairs department and I've already told also to the commissioner secretary of DCA to be in touch and with all the 3 district council I'm very sure we will be able to implement this same such scheme even in the urban areas from now on.